Hi, in front of me is OPPO A74 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Firstly, open settings, then choose personalizations over here and click on icon styles. Over here you can select one of those styles by clicking at the chosen one and going back, but you can also tap on custom over here, choose agree and continue, and pick shape of your icons, size of them, and even size of app name. When you're done, just go back. Now click on app layout and select number of columns and rows. When you're done, go back as well, choose colors over here and select one of these color schemes by clicking at the chosen one and tapping apply. But you can also select one of the solid colors, like that one, and just apply as well. Then choose font and display size, and over here you can adjust font size and display size by swiping left or right. And pick font style by choosing one of the available ones and tapping apply. Now click on notification rule and pick shape of your icons in tab menu by clicking on the chosen one and going back as well. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!